Hello everyone, this is Suheidi, the Business Latina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited today to talk to you about how you can start building your business credit. You guys, this journey as an entrepreneur is a journey, okay? And if you have the right resources and the right information for you, it can be smooth. You don't have to go through so many hoops and get frustrated and stop because you're discouraged and then start up again months later, even years later. No, you can start the process now. You can take smooth steps with the right information, with the right guidance, and you can accomplish all these things that you need to start building credit for your business. So once your business is already incorporated, established as an LLC, or however it is that you want to establish it, it's registered with the Secretary of State, okay? You've picked a name, you've registered it, you have your business email, you have a business website, you have a business address, all these in a professional manner, not using a Google number or things like that, or virtual addresses, and not quite recommended when you're trying to get funding for your business. So try to get a legitimate business address, and there's ways for you to do that for free, and there's ways for you to do that, of course, paying a monthly fee. But since we're starting up, many of those who are following my channel are new or will be new in the future when they come across this video. You want to start everything for free, spend as less money as you need to on your business, and trust me, there's ways to do it. So guys, once you have already started those 6 vital steps, okay, you can start building your business credit. Just like with PG, your personal guarantee, meaning your personal, everything has to do with your personal credit world, so does the business world. You have to do the same exact thing. So in the personal credit world, you have to buy, for example, like secured credit cards to be able to build up your credit, right? Those are recommended 2, 3, 4 at a time for you to be able to build your personal credit. So when you start your business and you're trying to get credit for your business, okay, you're gonna have to get some type of accounts that help you build your business credit. So why do you even want business credit in the first place? Because you're trying to get more funding. You're trying to have access to capital so that you can operate your business, so you can pay yourself or pay your employees, so you can buy merchandise, inventory, equipment, machinery, office supplies, a company vehicle. You want to have money available for you that you can have in bigger amounts, because when you get approved for business credit lines and stuff like that and credit cards, they're up to like 10 times greater than personal credit lines and credit accounts, credit card accounts. So you want to go for building your business credit so you can get big business funding accounts through time, okay? And this takes time. However, it can be done faster than personal credit, and once you get it done, it's going to be much bigger. The funding is going to be much bigger, and you're going to be able to use it for all those things. And the way that you pay back is different. The way that the reporting is done to the business credit bureaus is different. Is more leniency. There's more flexibility, I should say. It gives you more time to pay back, and you can use the credit lines in such a way you don't have to feel so stressed out. I have to pay all, I can only use 30% of the credit limit, or my points are going to die. No, none of that happens during your business credit reporting and credit cards and credit lines. So of course you want to pay, you're going to have to pay, otherwise you're not going to be trusted to be given more and more funding. And you have to look reliable as a company, okay? So just to kind of get into it, you want to start building your business credit, okay? It's important. Most companies require 3 months of business bank statements. Oh, and that's something that you need to also have in the 6 vital steps. You need to have a business checkings account. Never mix your business checking or your business transactions and business things that have to do with money in your personal bank account. Separate them completely. It's going to help you at the end of the year, during tax seasons, and it's just going to help you avoid many headaches, okay? So many of the lenders, they require at least 3 months, 3 to 5 months of business checking accounts where they're seeing money coming in, they're seeing activity happening inside your business checking account. Of course, they're going to ask for your EIN number and things like that as well when you apply for these credit cards or these cards that help you build your credit. Okay, so let's start off with one that is really popular out there, and I do recommend them personally. They're called Divvy. Okay, Divvy is pretty cool for people who have been in business for a while and have good revenue. Okay, and they have a specific amount, and they ask you for a specific amount. If you make that amount, that you might qualify, and other requirements that they have. But if you don't make that much revenue, right, they have an option for people who need to build their business credit. Okay, and it's called their business credit build program. So you're gonna sign up with them in that, and it basically turns into you fund your own business card. So you put $500 in there, 1,000, 5,000, whatever you have. Okay, you can start off with that. And as you are using it monthly, okay, they start reporting it to the credit business bureaus. And one of the ones that are very important, okay, for your credit cards, business credit cards, and trade lines and vendors that need to report to is Duns and Bradstreet. So make sure that when you apply for these, ask them, who do you report to? Duns and Bradstreet, Business Experian, Business Equifax, or whoever, whichever one reports to businesses. Make sure that they either report to all three, or make sure that some report to Duns and Bradstreet, because Duns and Bradstreet is really well known. It's like one of the ones that you want to get reporting in, because a lot of the vendors or trade lines, they pull your Duns and Bradstreet report to see who do you have reporting in with under Duns and Bradstreet and things like that. Duns and Bradstreet is definitely one that you want to have reporting in. So Divvy reports to Duns and Bradstreet. This just happened recently that they started reporting with Duns and Bradstreet. They have another company that they report to, another bureau that they report to right now. From the top of my head, I don't remember, but once I find out, I will put it in the description box so you guys can at least have in mind who else they report to. So monthly, you use your card, whether it's for traveling, for lodging, anything that has to do with your business, and they report it to Duns and Bradstreet. Okay, and as you are using that monthly, okay, it's like a secured credit business building card, and you are going to start raising up your business credit. So the good thing about business credit is that you don't need to have a 700 or 800 to be qualified, or a 680 to be qualified as a good, to have a good credit score, business credit score. It's just by having a 40, you can start looking good in the lending world, okay? And they would consider you fundable for fundability. They would consider you as a good candidate because you've already reached those points, and you can get there much faster. Okay, but don't just get Divvy. There are other ones that you can apply for. You have Granger, you have Quill, and so on. Okay, Uline is another one. It's pretty good. So just make sure you call them. Make sure you find out exactly who they report to. So you want to get business credit that reports to all three of them, or at least two. Don't just focus on one bureau. You want to be known in all three of them. Okay, it's going to help you raise your points higher and faster. So once you fund your Divvy card, your application, you're going to go through the whole process. They communicate really good with customers. They can explain the whole process. And after 6 months of you using the secured, I don't want to say secured, but the credit building program with them, okay, and you put the funds that you want in there and you use them and you pay it back responsibly, after 6 months, you can go back and request a traditional credit business line. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again. After 6 months of you paying responsibly, your credit building business card, okay, and you're using it for your business, they will allow you to request a traditional business credit line. And you know very well that the business credit lines are up in the big monies, okay? So you don't want to lose that opportunity. Again, make sure that you're having cash flow. Make sure that you're building your business revenue, because they are going to ask for information, and they're going to see, on a case-by-case basis, if you are ready for a traditional business credit line. But if you've already built a good relationship with them, you've been paying on time, you're doing good as a company with their product, they're going to want to offer you an even better product, okay? So stay faithful to them. They will stay faithful to you, and I know that it's going to be a great step for you to build your business credit and sign up for, okay? And you also have Uline and Quill and so on and so on. You guys, there's so many companies that we can use as new entrepreneurs, and even the ones who have been out there for many, many years and are good, but still need extra money because they're trying to maybe expand their business. They're trying to bring more employees in. They need more, their vision is growing and they need more money. They need more capital. So, these companies have the cards that can help you build a credit as a new startup, and they have the traditional credit lines and credit cards for businesses that can help day-to-day operations and with whatever projects that you need that require extra funding. Okay, you guys, so I hope that this information, you will put it to work, because it is there, it is available to you, it works, it's true, and verify it yourself. Okay, so everything that we spoke about today, hear it, learn it, and apply it. Share this information with others, and would you be kind enough to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and you will see me on my next video. Okay, take care.